Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Helen. It has been a minute, but I'm back. Well, today we are in Bouskoura. Bouskoura is a small city in Casablanca because Casablanca is so big, so I feel they decided to name this place Bouskoura. But anyways, this is Ville Verte. It's I think it's the central view of Bouskoura, and I'm going to show you the apartment that I stayed in for 2 months when God gave me my new job. Yeah. Come with me guys. So the apartment is located in one hill in Bouskoura, Ville Verte, and yeah, the apartment cost 8,000 dirhams per month. And here we are guys. I actually loved this apartment and I loved the peace that came with it, and basically love the security, the cleanliness, and the view. So come with me guys, come with me guys, come with me guys. Yep. So before we go inside, I would like to thank God, because yeah, previously before I got this new job, I was working with some lady. It was really hard, and like the environment spiritually and all that, but God came through and he gave me this job. At first it was tough, but like as the Bible says, seek first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and every other thing else will be added unto you. Yep, I was seeking him and he gave me a new job that came with an apartment, and actually the job also came with a driver. Yeah, my colleague that drives me every time. So here we are guys. Yep, that's me. I came from Carrefour, and yeah, so I came from shopping. Well, as I said, the reason why I actually like this apartment is that it's actually very, very close to Carrefour. It has shops down the view. Here I am. It's actually a studio apartment. Here in Morocco, when they say studio apartment, they mean 1-bedroom apartment. So that's the bathroom, and it has a modern kitchen. This is the room that I sleep in. You understand? Yep. I was living the life. Anyways, guys, why I'm using like the past tense, because when I recorded this video, I was staying here. I stayed here for 2 months, and then I left to another apartment because it was a bit expensive, and my boss was like, we need to change. But I'm still grateful. Look at the view, guys. It has Primo Passo, it has Carrefour, it has Papa John's. Like the view at night, oh my god, I love this apartment. So yeah, let's take a tour. As I said, this is like the bedroom. It has a wardrobe. I'm a Bible. My Bible is on my bed. You understand? Like when I was here, I was just like so grateful to God, because if you're here in Morocco, it's very, very difficult and hard to get a job. Yeah, my wardrobe was kind of like messy to get a job that comes with an apartment and all that. And this is my kitchen. Yeah, basically it's giving big girl. And yeah, that's my little sitting room, and it actually has 2 balconies with the view, and I loved it so much. So yeah, those are my things. So guys, yeah, enjoy the apartment. And yeah, this is Bouskoura. Bouskoura is actually very nice, and I feel like it's a city for the rich, and I actually see what the Lord is doing in my life. God is trying to show me where he's taking me, and I'm so grateful. So yeah guys, just enjoy. Make sure you like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment and share with your friends.